Awesome place. Actually, you guys can see it's a kind of a big pond, and there's a Shivan temple, and obviously a lot of Shivan temples are associated with burial grounds. We have to give some respect, and I got some permission to just come in. This I always wanted to take it and then watch it, and I'm pleased here because it's so intricate. I want to see whether our zombie mushroom is somewhere there. I can't go in details before the light goes, so I thought I'll take a complete already one I am seeing this one. See, this one I see something but I'm going to just taking this video so that I can analyze and I'm free. You guys can see the string is so like a thread. It is not like, it's like thread.